So my dear student, this is a revision class. So fraction chapter is there. So first, what is the proper fraction? So proper fraction means numerator is smaller than denominator. So here 3 by 5. So here 3 is smaller and 5 is greater. That means this is a proper fraction. So another example for proper fraction, 8 by 9. Here also numerator is smaller than denominator. So this is proper. Improper means numerator is greater than denominator. So improper means here 9 by 8 is there. So here numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. So this is improper fraction. So take down another example, 12 by 5. So here also numerator is greater, denominator is smaller. So this is improper fraction. So what is mixed fraction? So next mixed fraction, 2 integer 5 by 6 is there. So 2 integer 5 by 6, that means 2 is a whole number and 5 by 6 is a proper fraction. Definition of mixed fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. So this one also, 5 integer 7 by 8. 5 is a whole number, 7 by 8 is a proper fraction. Another example, 10 integer 2 by 3. So how to read this one? 10 integer 2 by 3. So next, conversion of improper to mixed fraction. So this is a improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater. So how to convert this improper to mixed? So just divide 12 by 5. So just divide it, 12 divided by 5. So nearest number, 12 nearest number is 2. So 5 2s are, 10. So that is 5 2s are 10. Subtraction 2 minus 0 2, 1 minus 1 0. Okay. So this is a quotient, isn't it? And this is remainder. So quotient should be in whole number part. Quotient should be in a whole number part, and this one remainder should be in a numerator part, and denominator is as this. 2 should be in a whole number, remainder should be in numerator, denominator is as this. So this is the way of converting improper to mixed fraction. So take down second one, 14 by 8. So just divide it, 14. So just divide 14 divided by 8. Nearest number is 8. So that is 8 ones are 8. So 4 is there. That is 14 minus 8, 6. This one gets cancelled, 0. So quotient should be in whole number part. So that is 1 integer. Remainder should be in the numerator part. That is 6 by 8 as this. So 1 integer 6 by 8. This is the way of converting improper to mixed fraction. So next, conversion of mixed to improper. So how to convert this is mixed fraction to improper fraction? So first multiply whole number to denominator, after that add to numerator. So how to find out the multiply whole number to the denominator, after add it to the numerator, that is 3 into 6. So 3 into 6 plus numerator. So you should add the numerator to that result, divided by denominator is as it is. So 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 5 by 6. So 18 plus 5 how much? 23 by 6. So this is the way of converting mixed fraction to improper fraction. Just multiply whole number to denominator, after that add to numerator. So you will get 23 by 6. So how to convert this one? So first multiply whole number to the denominator, 5 into 8 plus numerator divided by denominator as it is. So 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 7 as it is, divided by 8, 47 by 8, 47 by 8. So this is the way of converting mixed fraction to improper. So next, addition of fractions. So how to add this? So first check whether these are like fractions or unlike fractions. So what is the definition of like fraction? Like fractions means the fraction in which denominators are same, but here denominators are different. So first make the denominator same. So by taking the LCM, the denominator will be same. So LCM of 6 and 12. So here 6 is there, 12 is there. 6 2s are 12, isn't it? 6 2s are 12. That means LCM is 12, HCF is 6. So that is common factor is here 6. This is a largest number. So 12 is a LCM, 6 is HCF. So how to find out the LCM? 6 and 12. So divide it. So both the numbers are even numbers divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 2 6 are. Next again common factor 3 is there, so take down 3. 3 ones are 3 2s are. So next remaining number 2 will be there. So 2 ones are 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 2. So that is 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So how to write this one? So 5 by 6 is there. So 5 by 6. So you want that 12. You want that LCM is 12. So what you have to multiply for 6 to get 12? 6 2s are 12. Here also multiply 2. So multiply 2 to both numerator and denominator plus 8 by 12. So here 12 already is there, so leave it as it is. Otherwise if you want to multiply into 1. Okay, so next 5 2s are 10. 10 by 12 plus 8 by 12. So now check whether these are like fractions or unlike fractions. Like fractions, because denominators are same. So denominator is 12, so just add the numerator. 10 plus 8, what will get the answer? 10 plus 8, 18 by 12. So 18 by 12 is the answer. This is the way of adding the fractions. So next subtraction, 3 by 15 minus 5 by 30. So here also unlike fractions are there, so first convert them to like fractions. So by taking the LCM of 15 and 30, so 15 2s are 13, that means 30 is a LCM. So find out the LCM, 15 and 30. So here one's digit 5 is there, here 0 is there, so that means these two are divisible by 5. So divide it, 5 3s are 5 6 are. Next 3 is a common factor, so take down 3. 3 ones are 2s are, 3 2s are 6. So next remaining number is 2, so take down 2. 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. So LCM equals to multiplication of that 3 numbers, 5 into 3 into 2. So 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So I told you 30 is a LCM. So here LCM is 30. So here 3 by 5 is there. So what you have to multiply for 15 to get 30? So 5 3s are 15, remaining number is 2. So multiply 2 to both numerator and denominator, minus 5 by 30 as it is. Why? Because here already 30 is there. So now 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 by 30 minus 5 by 30. So now these are like fractions. So take down the denominator 30. 6 minus 5. So subtraction, 6 minus 5 1. 1 by 30. So this is the way of subtraction. Okay. So if they given a mixed fraction, first convert them to improper. After that addition or subtraction. Do it yourself. So next third one, multiplication. Find the product of 3 by 5 and 10 by 18. So product means multiplication. So just multiply these two fractions. So write down 3 by 5 into 10 by 18. So you already know that how to multiply the fractions. So just multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 3 into 10 divided by 5 into 18. Okay. So here cancellation possible. Yes, is it possible here? So possible. 3 ones are 3 6 are, 5 ones are 5 2s are. Otherwise you can multiply here only. 3 into 10 30, 18 5s are 90. Okay. So here 0 0 gets cancelled. Yes. So remaining number is 3 by 9. So next here also cancellation possible by number 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are. So answer is 1 by 3. Otherwise you can write 30 by 90. That is also right. If you want to write in a simplest form, write it as a 1 by 3. Cancellation possible, do it. So take down another one. So fourth one, 8 by 6 and 14 by 8. So 8 by 6 and 14 by 8. So how to multiply this one? 8 by 6 into 14 by 8. So multiply. Just multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 6 into 8. So multiply. Otherwise here cancellation possible. 8 ones are 8 ones are. 14 and 6 are even numbers divisible by 2. 2 3s are 2 sevens are. Remaining numbers are 1 into 7, 3 into 1. So 1 sevens are 7, 3 ones are 3. So this is the answer. So next, comparing a fractions. So compare 5 by 8, 9 by 16. So how to compare it? First, check whether these are unlike fractions or like fractions. So here 8 is there, 16 is there. So unlike fractions. So first convert them to like fractions. So 5 by 8 is there. This one 9 by 16 is there. 8 and 16 LCM. Find out the LCM of 8 and 16. Here also 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. That means 8 is HCF, LCM is 16. So here 8 and 16 is there, divisible by 2. Both are even numbers divisible by 2. 2 fours are 2 eights are. Next again 2. 2 twos are 2 fours are. Again 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Next again 2. So LCM is multiplication of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what will get the answer? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. So here 16. So LCM is 16. That means what you have to multiply? For 8 to get 16, multiply 2. So here already 16 is there, leave it as it is. 5 twos are 10 divided by 16. 5 twos are 10, 8 twos are 16, 9 by 16. So just check the like fractions. No, these are 16 is there, like fractions. Now compare only numerator. 10 and 9, which one is greater? 10. That means 10 by 16 is greater than 9 by 16. This is the way of comparing any fractions. First check whether they are unlike fractions or like fractions. If they are unlike, convert them to like, and first make them unlike to like, then compare the only numerator. You will get the answer.